Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on data science and machine learning with Python programming language, and in this particular video we will understand how to plot our data science and machine learning related data using Matplotlib PyPlot. So Matplotlib is a Python 2D plotting library. It's extremely useful to plot things or our data so that you can visualize it, that how your data points are coming up, whether it is matching to the approximate location or not, and so on and so forth. This is a very small tutorial on Matplotlib, but it should cover around 80 to 90% of your requirement of using Matplotlib. So let's start using Matplotlib. The best reason for using Matplotlib is that it includes NumPy, it works on NumPy, and since NumPy is the backbone of machine learning and data science in Python programming language, it's an ideal fit. So to use Matplotlib, we have to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT as well as import NumPy as NP. Okay, so let me create a random X and Y data. This can be any data which you can think of. And I'll just create this X and Y as a NumPy array, and let me plot this X and Y. You can see that a default plot is created automatically. You can see this is X axis, this is Y axis, and this is blue color line which just plots depending upon our data point. So this may be 10, then 25, 32, 48, and this is 100. Now the first optimization what we can do is that we can change the color. We can change the color to red. Now we get the same plotting as red color. We can change the color to green also. So there are some shortcut to red, green, something like that. You can just say R, it will plot it in red color. If we say G, it will plot it in green color. If we say blue, it will plot it in blue color. Now along with plotting, we don't want the line to come. We want some symbols to come at those data points. So we can say blue plus, put a symbol plus in blue color. So these plus symbols are there for Y data points. If I say R plus, it will bring red color plus. Okay. Similarly, if I say R star, instead of plus, it will have star. If I say RO, it is a simplified form of round object. It will give me red rounds. Or if I say BO, it will give me blue rounds. We can use this cap. This means that red triangle. And if I say minus minus, it will give me a dotted line. Okay. If I say O minus minus, this will be slightly better line because O gives a round at the points and all the points will be connected by a dotted line. I believe most of the time you will be end up using something like this. Okay. Similar we can do for the triangle. Triangles are plotted over here. Okay. Now as of now we haven't set the label in the axis. We can set the labels by using X label and Y label, and if we plot that, you can see that the X axis and the Y axis is being printed over here. Okay. Now we can set the axis value. By default, the axis values is limited to our X and Y value. We can set the axis value using plot.axis, which takes 4 parameters, which is X mean, X max, and Y mean, Y max. I give 0 to 100 and 0 to 300. If I plot now, you can see this graph being expanded so that the actual plotting is reduced. So you can see that X axis is 0 to 200, I specified 0 to 200, and Y axis is 0 to 300, which I have specified. Okay. Now there are many cases where you want to display multiple graphs, okay, multiple plots. So let me create another point called x1, y1, and I can plot them like this. Okay. Plotting X and Y and plotting X1 and Y1, but I can plot using a single function like XY, X1, Y1. Both will give me same output. You can see that. Now when I am plotting it simultaneously, I can also provide the plotting style. For example, for XY I want red color dotted line, and for X1, Y1 I want green color round. So you can see that green round is there for X1, Y1, and red dotted line is there for X and Y. Okay, more than 2 lines is also fine. Let me create a new NumPy array x2, y2, and I can print these 3 lines over here, or 3 plottings over here. We can also plot the bar for X and Y. You can see that X and Y bar is there, or we can plot bar for all 3 of them. You can see all 3 of X, Y, X1, Y1, X2, Y2 bar is being displayed over here. So that's the basic usage of Matplotlib. I hope I was able to explain the usage in a easiest possible way. Thanks a lot guys. Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot.